Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I am Diwakar Singh. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to display ad units in your Android app by using Kotlin. So let's start. So there are four types of ad units in Google Admob. First one is banner, then interstitial, rewarded, and native advanced. So we are going to integrate the banner and the interstitial, which are the most common ad units in the Android apps. So let's integrate the banner first, then the interstitial. For integrating the ad units, we are using the same app in the continuation of the last video. I'm going to create a one empty activity and name it as home screen. Then for integrating the ad units, we have to implement the ad library of the Google into the build.gradle file. So let's just copy the library link and paste it over here, then sync your project so that you can use the library of Google Admob into your project. And then let's create a ad unit in your Admob console. So once you land to the home page, it will look like this of the Admob. You have to add your app if you are using it the first time, and so if it is published on the Google Play, you can click on yes, otherwise no, and just name your app over here and select the platform, Android or iOS. So we'll use Android, and then just add. So I'm already with one app, which is ad tutorial app. So I will create one ad unit over here. I will select the banner and name it as home screen banner ad. Then I will click on create ad unit. So it will give me these two live keys for implementing it into our app, but as Google don't recommend to use the live keys for your testing purpose, so I have already these test keys to use for our coding. So let me just copy the layout of banner view and paste it into my layout. It is asking for the namespace declaration. Just click on it and select it. Then just add the unit ID over here. So as I have told you, do not use the live one. Just use the test one. So I am going to use the test ones. You need not to worry about it. I will mention these test keys in this video's description also, so that you can use it. And now I have to set the manifest with the help of this key. So people gets confused like which one is for the manifest and which one is for the layout. So if the key has this sign, it will go to the manifest, and otherwise it will go to the layout. So as I have told you, I will use the test keys. So just copy the code and paste it over here, and take this test key and put it over here. And be sure like it should be in between this application tag and above the all the activities, so that it can load and show it show it on your screen. So now just as our layout has been set up, and now I'm going to code for the initialization of it. So let's just mobile ads dot initialize and give the context as this, then call for the ad builder. Sorry, I forgot the syntax, I think. So this is it. Now just load this ad builder after initializing the ad into our ad view, which we have set up in our XML file. Here, just load the ad in it. This is our ad view over here. So just run it and let's see. Before that, I have to make our home screen as a long screen. So that it can open our home screen as a first screen. So it is getting load, and here it is. So this test ad text will not be appear once your app gets live and you use the live keys. So now let's integrate the interstitial ad. So as Google recommends, do not use the interstitial ad uh, in between the process running of your app. So it should be after some clearing of the level, or if you have done anything major, and then you should show this interstitial ad over your screen. Otherwise Google will not allow you. So for that I am placing one button layout so that I can show the interstitial ad on click of that button. Let's name it as show interstitial ad. Okay, fine. So let's set its constraint, and now let's code for it in Kotlin. So I'm just going to copy and paste the code to save our time. Yes, I have not made the interstitial ad in Admob console, so we can let me do it for you. Like select interstitial, just name as home screen interstitial ad. You can give whatever the name you want to, and just create ad unit. It will give the same ID because the app is same for the manifest, and it will give the different ID for the coding purpose. So for interstitial ad, we do not have to write the code for any layout because it covers the whole screen, so we don't need the layout code for it. So just I'm going to replace the key with the test keys. I'm not going to use the live ones, otherwise Google will suspend your account if you will use the live keys for the testing purpose. So make sure you are using the test keys. So on the click of button, I will show the interstitial ad. Let's set the set on click listener and just check whether the ad is loaded or not. If it is loaded, then show the ad. Otherwise, you can do your continuation process of your coding. Like you can, if you want to go to the next screen, you can do it, or you want to start the next level of your game, you can do it as your ad is not loaded yet. So, and one more thing, if you want to do the work on the inbuilt function of this interstitial ad, you can do that also. Like these are the override method of interstitial ad. Like if your ad gets failed, you can do the continuation. If you click that, you can do the continuation of your code, and also if the ad gets closed, you can proceed further. So let's check the interstitial ad in our app. For the banner ad, you have to give the space on your screen, like where you want to show this ad, and make sure it will be present only where the content is not getting hide. So this is the button. Test our banner ad just shown. Now just click on the button, and here is your interstitial ad. So that's all, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share, and comment on this video if you like this video. Bye bye.